okay? Let me tell you guys, don't ever be ashamed of being frugal. Woo, or if somebody comes to my house bringing trays for an engagement. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for joining me in today's video. So as you guys can tell by the title, today is a little bit of a different video, and today I'm going to be showing you guys my collective haul that I purchased recently, from skincare to clothing and shoes to jewelry and all that great stuff. Now this is a little bit different here on my channel because like this is a video that is not related to makeup whatsoever, because I have made a conscious decision to not buy any more makeup. I have so much of makeup, it's just ridiculous. So yeah, let's just hop into this video. Okay, so first we're going to talk about clothing, and the first piece of clothing I am wearing, it's this olive shirt with yes on it, which I thought was so cute. So shout out to my sister for getting this for me. Hey! It's from the brand Free to Be You or something like that. So I really am loving olive right now, and I really like this top. And then I also got a black jumpsuit from Mr. Price. I don't remember how much this top was, but I still have the price on this jumpsuit. Oh, this jumpsuit was 150 rand from Mr. Price. It is a really like nice lacy one. It's not too tight on me, so I feel like this flatters my body really well. And yeah, I wore it in one of my videos. I think it was the Karma is a Bee challenge. Like literally I just wore it for the intro, so this is what it was. It's a jumpsuit. Okay, then I bought a whole bunch of shoes from Planet54. Now you guys, I want the Adidas Superstars so badly. I would like it in rose gold, but gold is still fine. I'll leave a picture on the screen here so you guys can see what it looks like. I am gonna own those shoes one day, but I didn't feel like I couldn't justify spending over 1,000 rand on one pair of shoes. And you guys know I've been studying the past 4 years and working, and so basically the only shoes I lived in was pumps and Tommies. So I needed to buy myself more shoes because I have so much of clothes, but I rarely ever have shoes, and I rarely ever have sneakers. For the most part, I'm always using my sister's sneakers, and you know, it's about time. Like, I'm gonna be 23. I can't be using my sister's shoes and clothes forever, you know. So I bought quite a bit of shoes from Planet54. I was so surprised with the Planet54 service, because literally I ordered on a Thursday morning, and like by midday they had already told me that my package is being shipped. Midday on Thursday, and literally Friday morning at 8 o'clock I woke up to the package at my door. So super impressed with the service. And yeah, let's just hop into the shoes already. Okay, so the first pair of shoes I got were these TomToms. Now they are quite white. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see them on camera, but they have like pink detailing at the back and pink soles. Yeah, pink underneaths. And I really thought these shoes were so cute, so I had to buy them. By the way, if you guys are interested, I'm a size 5. I mean, like, up against my face these shoes look huge, but I'm a size 5. And yeah, I really like these shoes. These are by TomTom. I should probably pull up the invoice so I can tell you guys what they are exactly. Okay, so these are the TomTom Slick White sneakers, and I think these were like 200 rand. And I mean, these look really nice for 200 rand, like. And then the next pair of shoes is these casual gray sneakers. I mainly bought these because they're gray and I don't really have any gray shoes, but also I started working out recently and I feel like I don't have like proper like workout shoes. So these are intended to be workout shoes, but I don't know how well that's gonna work out, so we'll have to see how that goes. Okay, and then I got another pair of sneakers, and these are called the ribbon bow sneakers, and I thought they were quite cute. I was about to get it in like olive, and then I thought to myself, my sister recently bought these olive sneakers and I know I'm the one that's gonna get the most use out of it, so I thought let me get pink. I do like pink on clothes, but pink is not my favorite color, guys, like don't get it twisted. So yeah, I thought these were really, really cool. I first saw them in red and then I thought no, pink would probably be like really, really cute. So yeah, I know I have like weird taste in shoes, but I thought these were really cute and so I bought them, and I really, really like them. I think they are super, super cute. And then the last pair of shoes I got were these ones from TomTom. Obviously, because I got a white pair of sneakers, I had to get a black pair of sneakers, and these ones are like high tops. And these are really, really nice for wearing with jeans, because for the most part I do live in jeans. So yeah, I thought these would be nice to get. These are also called casual sneakers, and again got them in a size 5. And I've really been enjoying wearing the white sneakers. Oh my god, girl, your girl gonna be slaying in sneakers on a budget. Okay, let me tell you guys, don't ever be ashamed of being frugal. Don't ever be ashamed of being frugal, because let me tell you something, literally I could have spent my money on those superstars, the Adidas superstars, but I bought a whole bunch of things for the price of those one pair of shoes. So I'm happy with my decisions in life. One day I will own those Adidas superstars, mark my words, but right now ain't nobody got time to be wasting money on just one pair of shoes. And then from Planet54 as well, I got this really, really cute wallet. It is so super cute, so super sleek, and yeah, I thought it was super cute. That's why I got it. It has like a compartment here, and literally as I was checking out, Planet54 had like a 30% off on wallets, so I got like a further discount on the wallets, which was insane. So this is what the inside looks like. It opens up quite wide, which I think is really, really bomb, and it has another inside zip for your coins, and it's just really, really cute. I actually got 2 of these. I bought another one with someone else in mind. And then lastly from Planet54, I got this really, really cute handbag. It's called a tote bag, and it's in the color charcoal. Now you guys, firstly let me cut off these because it's beginning to annoy me. Oh my god. Okay, so firstly let me just say that your girl's handbag struggles have honestly and truly been a struggle over the years, and I've always just bought Mr. Price handbags because they do last a fairly well time, or a fairly good. Where did I just leave my other hand? Oh, found it. So I decided to get this handbag because honestly I feel like I'm growing out of this handbag. Like I had one bigger than this that was like almost like a tan color, and it had a really good like gold accent situation happening, but that was like getting too big for me, and then I decided let me go for a smaller bag, and I feel like I'm growing out of this bag, so that's why I decided let me just upgrade so I have a choice between a small bag and a big handbag. And yeah, I really, really like this one. I think this charcoal color is so cute. Who am I? Who am I? I am spending, you guys, just put into perspective that I never spent money on clothes and shoes before. It's always been makeup in the past 4 years. Who am I? Who do I think I am? So next is a package from WeWearGems. And if you guys have been following me for a while, you know that I won the selfie light competition, and basically in that competition I got a voucher from WeWearGems, so I was really, really excited to place my order with WeWearGems. Please you guys stay tuned till the end of the video because I have something very disturbing to tell you guys. I'm so disappointed, but I feel like I should tell you guys what happened, because you guys also contributed to me winning the competition. So anyway, moving on to WeWearGems. yes, I got a whole bunch of stuff, you guys. They sent me a really cute card. They're like, hey Saneshni, congrats on winning the competition in collaboration with us. Enjoy your goodies, XOXO WeWearGems. Thank you so much. So the first things that I put into my cart were dots, like Bindi Dots. And oh my god, these are so beautiful. I got mostly silver dots. Okay, girl. Your girl got a thing for silver. I don't know how and I don't know why. And yeah, I got these really nice rounded bindis. Super cute. And I really like these because I kind of like elegant big bottoms in the center of your forehead. And then I got these really pretty gold ones. And then I got two more silver ones. These are what they look like. So yeah, I'm really excited to use these. I mean, I don't really wear Eastern wear a lot, but when I do, I got the dots. I got the dots. And then another thing I was super excited about is this Om sign choker. Now, if you guys saw my tattoo vlog, I have a tattoo of a Tamil Om sign, and I actually have a Tamil Om chain as well, but I saw this on their site and I was like, oh my god, it's a Tamil Om choker. And I died. So if you guys don't know, I actually have a thing for chokers, and I don't know why, but I feel like chokers are just like really cute. I mean, like, I probably have more chokers than I do chains, and I rarely ever wear chains. So yeah, super cute choker, and I just love it. It's so cute. It's the fact that it has an Om sign, like, it just won my heart. I had to get it. And then, like I said, your girl has things, or has a thing for the color olive right now, and so I bought this olive choker. It has like sort of leaves at the end, which I think is really cute. I mean, it's not gonna go with my top because I have gold on my top, but I thought it was really cute, and I just really like this choker, you guys. Like, it just spoke to me on another level. Like, what is up with me and olive at the moment? I don't know. I feel like I have phases with color, but if I'm buying things that are themed with a certain color, you know it is hitting my soul on another level. And then I got this nose ring. I believe this is called the Poonam nose ring. So this is what it looks like. So it's a really big, like, chunky nose ring. Obviously it's a faux nose ring, but I thought it might come in handy when I'm filming like Eastern makeup tutorials, or like, you know, Indian. I keep saying Eastern. Indian. I should say Indian. When I'm filming like Indian tutorials and stuff like that. So yeah, I thought this was really cute to have. Even though I'm not gonna wear it. I mean, I might wear it to a wedding. Ooh, or if somebody comes to my house bringing trays for an engagement, then I would definitely wow. And then I got this really pretty, like, facial gems, I want to call them. So this is what they look like. This is a silver and blue pack. And then lastly, with my WeWearGems order, I got 2 sets of rings. This one is like a dainty set, and this one is a Game of Thrones set. I'm just going to quickly pop them on my hand so you guys can see them, because I mean, you can't see anything in this packet. Okay guys, so this is the Game of Thrones set. It comes with 6 pieces. I probably should put that ring on that finger, but it looks really pretty. They come with midi rings, and they also come with standard rings for your fingers. So I thought this set was really cute, and again, I bought it in keeping somebody else in mind because I haven't really watched Game of Thrones, so I definitely need to get on that bandwagon. And then they are these super pretty dainty sort of rings. I think they look really nice. Again, they also have midi rings and like normal standard rings, which I think is so cute. Okay, so next we're gonna move on to skincare, And recently I changed my skincare sort of routine just because you guys know I've been breaking out really badly. So I'm trying the Himalaya Herbals range, and I have the Purifying Neem mask, but I also decided to get, sorry, not the mask, the face wash, but I also decided to get 2 masks. So I got the Purifying Neem mask, and I got the Almond and Cucumber peel off mask. So I'm really excited to see how these work. So far I really like the way this one makes my skin feel, so I'm enjoying this mask so far. And then I also decided to get the Himalaya Herbals Energizing Day Cream. It's hydrating, it nourishes, and it protects. And also it said somewhere here that it's also a great base for makeup. So I thought to myself, yes, let me get this baby. This is what it looks like. And yeah, I'm really excited to try out these new Himalaya Herbals products because I've literally tried everything, and this is probably one of the only things I haven't tried. So yeah, I've only been using it for like maybe a week and a half now, and I definitely have seen a difference in my skin complexion. Oh, also I got this frame at the back here from Sheet Street. This was like under 200 Rand, and wait for it you guys, it lights up. It is so cool, the fact that it lights up. And that is pretty much it for this collective haul of clothing, jewelry, skincare, all that great funky stuff. And if you guys have reached the end of the video, I just want to say that I don't even know how I feel about this yet because it is a criminal offense. But basically I was trying to use my Selfie Light voucher that I had with the Selfie Light competition, and I was trying to use it for weeks on end, and it kept on saying to me, you know, your cart does not meet the requirements for this voucher, or whatever the case may be is. So I eventually emailed them and I was like, what are the requirements? You know, I'm having trouble checking out. And they were like, your voucher was used on the 15th of January at 11 minutes past 11, or 11 minutes past 1, sorry, by so and so. And I was like, wait, but I don't recognize this person's name. And then only to realize that once I searched for the name on Instagram and Facebook, I found out who it was, and it's somebody who always joins the lives, somebody who's always interactive. And I was so hurt that this person used the voucher code and like didn't even contact me, or couldn't even contact me saying, hi, I don't know what happened, I used the voucher code and this is what happened. I even like DM'd them on Instagram and she deleted my message as if I had never sent it. So I'm so disappointed that there are people in the world like that. And I'm not somebody who's going to be out here trying to name and shame who this person is, because I don't believe in being that kind of person. And I honestly and truly, let us wish this person well, because I don't have any, I'm not the kind of person that will wish ill upon somebody else who's done me wrong, you know. The fact that I messaged her and she acted like I didn't even send her the message, I know that I'm not going to be able to get through to this person. So let us just say a silent prayer for this person, and we hope that karma is nice to you, and I hope that you don't do this to anybody else, because it's really not a nice thing to go through. And yeah, if you guys are wondering like what was the whole voucher situation, the voucher code was literally my name, and I don't think a lot of people knew the voucher code, because I mean, you guys may have seen it in my like unboxing of the Selfie Light prize, but to go so far as to use it, that's a different story. But it is what it is, and that's all I have to say. Thank you guys for joining me in this video. I'm so sorry that this video is so long, but at least you guys get to have a chilled out Friday watching this video with me. And yeah, I love you guys so much. Don't forget to slay all day every day with and without makeup, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.